Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up any internet connection on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. Now at first, just go ahead and right click on your taskbar, then just click on Task Manager, then just expand Task Manager, then just click on Network. This will sort all the apps by your network and make sure the most network bandwidth using apps are on top. You can just then right click on them and click on End Task if you don't need them. Whichever apps you think are useless here, just right click on them and click on End Task. Make sure not to end task any of the important like service host stuff or stuff from Microsoft that helps your Windows to run. And you can also do another thing. Just click on Windows plus R and your run command will come up. In here type appwiz, which stands for appwiz.cpl, and click on OK. Then from here you can install the softwares that are using your bandwidth. I'm not gonna do anything here right now, but if you have any software that are using your bandwidth without your permission, just install them. If you don't need them, then just close this. And if you don't want to install, just right click on them and click on End Task. Then you can just close down your Task Manager. After that, what you want to do is put up your run command again, click on Windows plus R. In here type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. This will bring up your network and connections. Just right click on your internet device and click on Properties. After that, click on Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and click on Properties again. From here, click on Use the following DNS server and set the preferred DNS server to 1.1.1.1 and the alternative DNS server to 1.0.0.1. Then just click on OK. Then just click on Close. Then just close this window as well. And then just go ahead and restart your computer. After that, your internet should be faster. And that is how to speed up any internet connection on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.